Yo, it's Master Chat. So guys, I want to do a quick video, like a quick analysis for some of you guys, because the reason is that the last video I posted in my YouTube channel, which is the first video actually, people were commenting, people were saying, some came to my DM, they were asking me how I trade break and retest. How I trade break and retest. Some were saying, do you trade break and retest? Please teach me how to trade break and retest. So, but I just want to do this video because of them and maybe some other persons out there. But you see this channel I created, I don't want to be doing analysis on this channel. It's not for analysis, okay? I created this channel for this reason. I want to start documenting my trading journey because I've gotten to that point where I need to scale up, okay? I've grown past that stage of jumping from strategy to strategy. And I have a strategy that works for me, that I've tested over times. I've used this method that I'm using to trade, to flip $5 to $80, $40, $50, 60 something, 30 something, 20 something, countless times. Although I've lost, but I'm just telling you what I've done with this strategy. I've made losses, which is normal. I've made losses. So I've used this strategy. I've tested it and it's working. So I don't have any problem with strategy anymore. So I feel like at this point in my trading, I need to scale up. I want to scale up with the little I have. So that is what I want to start documenting here on YouTube. Okay. I will be funding $5, between $5 to $10. I will try and flip it to something reasonable, so that I can get a profit and start documenting everything. Basically, my trading journey. That's why I created this channel. It's not for analysis, maybe in the future we can be doing analysis, okay? But for the sake of those people, I just want to do this, short screen record showing you break and retest, and also how I flip account on Deriv, the method I use in flipping account. So stay to the end of this video so that you get the right part, which is the next part of this video, okay? Now, this is it. I'll be doing a screen record with my phone showing you how I want to do it, okay? So let's go. And again, please, I want you to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that each time I drop video, you get notified, okay? Please drop comments, okay? Just drop comment, because you see what I'm about to do, what I want to start doing. A lot of traders inspired me to do this. I've seen a lot of traders, who started from nothing, they start scaling up, documenting, and I'm seeing growth, So I want to inspire more traders. I want to inspire more traders. So because I know that there are other struggling traders out there, you get, who don't know how to go about this process, this part of trading, which is scaling up. Okay, which is scaling up. So I want to inspire those traders. I want to let them know that it is possible, we can do it. So let's grow together. Just like this video, share it, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you get notified. Okay, let's just grow together. Basically, that's it. So I will be documenting every part of my trading. If I fund $5, the trade I take, mind you, if I'm funding $5, I'm going to be trading it twice. Okay, that is $2.5. So I'll just be documenting everything, how the trade goes. If we ended up blowing the account, I'll still let you know that we blew this account. Wait again till we fund. This is basically a whole of my trading journey that I want to start putting here. So you need to stay tuned. Let's do this together, guys. So let me go to my screen now and show you a few things on break and retest and how I flip account. Okay, so let's go. Thank you.
Okay guys, this is it. This is what I was talking about. This is the break and retest. Okay, now let's go on it. For I want to show you something, how I trade break and retest. Okay, how I use break and retest to trade. Now if you look closely, let's go on a daily chart first so that you understand. Okay, now this is the daily chart, right? This is the daily chart. Look at this level. This is a significant level that has held this market for long. You notice that the market came here, come down again, went up again, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. Definitely this level is a very strong level. Now the market sold for a very long time. This time around, the market started to push up, started to push higher. Okay, now it got to this point. Instead of reversing, the market broke this level. Now how do you trade this breakout? How do you take advantage of this up move? Is what I want to show you, which is the break and the retest. Now if you want to properly catch the break and the retest, okay, it's advisable you go on a time frame lower than the one you are using to do analysis. Okay, so let's go on the 4 hour. let's go on a 4 hour. Okay, let's go on a 4 hour. So this is it. Now when you come on a 4 hour, you see how the market, market has been moving upward. Retrace, move again, retrace. Now this time around it came and broke through this level, right? Now you want to trade, you want to join the buyers, you want to buy, right? How do you now buy? This is where the break and retest comes in. Now this is it. This is the break, this is the retest. This is the break, this is the retest. Once the market breaks out of a level, just wait patiently for the market to breathe again. It is not advisable for you to buy here. It is advisable for you to buy here, because if you buy here, where will you put your stop loss? Let's say below this candle or below this candle, the market would have still stopped you out. Look at it. That is why you need to wait. You cannot even buy and put your stop loss here. How much do you even have in your account? So the stop loss is very, 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 very wide. That is like a take profit, not even stop loss. So this is why you need to wait for a retest. Now this is one of the ways I trade break and retest, okay? Because most times the market will just keep falling like a retest, okay? And the market will not get to that level where it break out from. The market can just come here, come here and start to buy again. The market will just come here. Instead of coming to this level that it broke out from, it will just come to somewhere around here and just start to buy again. Does it mean you will not buy the market? Does it mean you will not miss the buy? Because you are just waiting for the market to just come to that level that it broke out from. Because most times the market does not even come to that level, because this is what they will tell you in those PDF book, those online courses. This is how they would draw it. It would look very nice. They will say break, retest. It will just, most times the market does not come to that level. The market does not necessarily need to come to that level. Okay, the market will just drop for a while and start to move upward again. Okay, this is why I normally use my counter trend line. And another scenario, the market can just move higher, come down like you want to do a retest. The market will just dip, retest and start to sell. This is what I'm talking about. The market will do something like this. Okay, the market will do something like this. It will come low, as in very lower, to just dip lower like this, do something like this. The market will just do something like that. I'm coming, guys, let me show you something. The market will just do something like this. You see, the market will just, like, instead of doing a retest, the market will just create something that looks like this and starts to say. Now this counter trend line will help you to avoid these two scenarios that I just explained. The first one is whereby the market will not come to this level. The market will just breathe for some time and starts to buy again. Because you need to understand something. This retest is not, this market is not actually lines that people come here to draw. All of these candlesticks you are seeing, they are formed by price action, price movement. Buyers and sellers cause all of these things to happen. You see how some are closing with weak, full body, bearish. They are not just line. These are market data. So you have to put this at the back of your mind. So forget about those lines they will draw for you in those courses that looks very nice. Most times you don't get to see those things in real chart. Now enough, I don't want to make this video to be long. Now once you draw your counter trend line, okay, all you need to do is wait. For me, I normally do my analysis on 4 hour. I just go on a daily to just look at the direction. Okay, now come to a time frame lower again, so that you can get the wave here, okay. Once you see the market starts dropping, just draw your counter trend line and wait for the market to break that counter trend line. That is where you will now start buying. Let's go on a 1 hour. Okay, let's go on a 1 hour so that I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's go on a 1 hour. Now this is it, guys. This is it. Look at it. Once the market starts dropping, you know, come again, drop, come again, drop. This time around, you have already plot your counter trend line. You just need to wait for the market to react. Okay, then you act. You don't predict the market. So this is it. At this point, the market came down, went up. Instead of the market to come and break this low, no, the market went up and break this counter trend line. So at this point, you might be buying. But for me, most times, I love buying at the next candle. I love to wait for the next candle to open so that it can give me a little bit of retracement for me to get a very tight stop loss, because I normally flip account on this derivative. Now, this is for those asking me how I flip account. I remember I said I'm going to show you guys on this video. Now, this is how I basically flip account. Let's go to that part. Now, look at it. This is where this, after you have drawn your counter trend line like this, let's say you buy here, right? Your stop loss should be below the last low, like the previous low. Okay, there's no need for you to come and put your stop loss here, trying to give the market breathing space. Although breathing space is good, but you need to understand something. There's no amount of breathing space you will give the market that will make the market, go in your direction if it doesn't want to go to your direction. I will say it again. It's either you are right or you are wrong. When you are right, take advantage of the move. Don't think that breathing space, giving the market breathing space, room to breathe, is the way for you to avoid loss. No. If you are wrong, you are wrong, okay? So know where to put your stop loss. Most people don't know this at all. Now, that's it. Let's say I bought here. This is my stop loss. For those of you who have $5, you think you cannot trade with your $5. For me, if I found my $5, I normally risk everything. I don't set stop loss, okay? Let's say you don't want to risk everything like me. You want to go very conservative. Like, look at this trade. For the sake of this video, that's why I just plot all of these things down and set this buy order. Look at it. On this trade now, you are risking less than $3 to make $12. Okay, once you buy here, this is another thing. Okay, once you buy here, make sure your take profit is very, 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 very realistic. Don't go and put your take profit too far where you know the market cannot go in the nearest time. Okay, let it be at the previous high. Now, once you buy here, okay, let me use the way I trade. For example, I don't set stop loss. Okay, once I buy here, once the market moves, retrace, I add another position. Let's say I buy here. What am I making here now? I'm making $12, okay, for the first position. Let's say the market move and come back again, like here. Move, come back like here. Let's say I enter another entry, take another entry. Look at it. That's $10, okay. Look at it, another entry, that's $10, okay. Now the market will move. Forget about this retracement. This one cannot blow your account. Most people will close because of this. This is the reason why you don't have confidence in trading. Okay, forget about this retracement. The little profit from this one can cover plus your account balance. So once the market moves again, come back, I'll take another entry. Look at it here. Now what am I making? $8. The first entry, remember, it was $12. Second entry, $10. This is with a $5 account. Oh, you see, this is, let's say, my imaginary stop loss. In this case, I'm right? This is a winning trade. This is how you should take advantage of winning trade. Now the market will move again, come back, right? I'll take another entry. What's that? That's $5. If you sum everything up, it's $30 plus. And the next move, straight to take profit. Everything we hit take profit. Most times, even if the market does not get to your take profit, once you are okay with the profit, just close. That's it. That's just it. Once you found your $5, wait patiently for the right setup. If I want to flip an account, I don't enter any trade I see. I always wait for a very, very, very good setup like this one. Okay? Like this one. Once you enter, look for a way to get a very, very tight stop loss, because your first entry matters a lot. Once the market start moving, pulling back, keep adding position. Know how to add position. Don't keep stacking position like one position, one position. I'm not saying you should go and be, stacking position like entering multiple position. One position, one position, one position, one position, one position, one position. On a single trade, you will move your $5 to maybe $40. In some cases, I do move. Look at this. On this trade now, out of the $5. So this is it. So this is it. Look at it. Sorry, I had a little distraction. So look at it. This first entry, on this first entry, you did not go all in with your account balance. You see, if I were to take this trade, I will not go in with this lot size. I will go in with another, like look at it. Look at it, guys. I want to show you something. Sorry, I want to show you something. I want to show you something. Look at my stop loss, right? Now, let's say I'm not going in with this lot. I want to add another lot. That's, let's say, 3. You see? Look at my take profit. Instead of $12, I'm making $18. You see? This is how I can take $5 to $50, $60. That's it. Because I normally go all in. If you are going all in from your first entry, if you are risking everything, the whole of your capital, because it's flipping, trust me, you will make good money. So from every retracement you see, hard position, every retracement, hard position, every retracement, hard position. So that's it. So guys, please like this video, subscribe to this channel. I hope this content help you a lot. Okay, just study it, go back, watch it again, practice with your $5. Okay, just keep practicing. So I'll be funding my account soon so that we can start the scaling up, because I plan on, I want to start scaling up. So I will be showing I'll be showing you guys all of these things in real life. Okay, I will fund my account very soon. Okay, I'm just working on some things for now. So stay tuned, guys. It's Master Child. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.